Hi, in this video I want to show you my latest work in progress project, which is basically a GUI based modder for Minecraft. If I just start the program here, you can see at first it asks you to select a workspace, and I'm gonna choose a folder in my documents, which would be MCModder workspace, and I just select this folder. So we now can see here the GUI for modding, and if you want to create a mod, you first have to go under File, New Project. It then asks you for a name for that mod. In my case that would be my mod. OK, so it's downloading Forge. There's a short delay, and if all goes alright, it should automatically install Forge for an Eclipse programming environment. And yeah, let's just wait until this has finished. Build successful, and here you can see my mod. So there's the base mod, and we can just modify the version to be, I don't know, something like 0.1. Now, at the moment, there are just items and blocks implemented, the blocks just with a single texture. But let's just create an item. The name for the item could be my item. Okay, so we now have our item. Let's choose the creative tab. I think something like redstone, because why not? And as a texture, let's choose something from the standard icons of Minecraft, like a beacon, for example. So now just let me make a new block. That would be my block, for example. And there's our block. Like I said, at the moment there are just single textures implemented. So you just have to kind of make one single texture. And there we could also take something like a standard texture from Minecraft, which would be under assets, textures, blocks, and let's just make a cake texture or a cake block. Also, transparency auto detect doesn't work at the moment. There I have to code some more. If you want to make a second block, we can just my block 2, for example. Let's make that a, well, to textures again, and let's make that a full, what would be a good block, full wooden door block. So now we have a my block 2, so we can rename this to my block 1. And it automatically saves when a change is made, so that's something else. So now that we have our base mod, our item, and our 2 blocks, you have basically a few options. Firstly, you could export the project, which would export just the Java source code to the Eclipse project, which is here under the workspace, under my mod and Java. So the second option is to export the project to jar, which would automatically generate a jar file, which you could use to share the mod with other people. Now what you could also do is here under run client, and that would just take a while. Here you can see it already exported the source code, and now it starts up Minecraft with your mod installed. This is really useful for debugging purposes, and if you want to see if your block looks alright or whatever. So just create a new world, creative, and wait until it's loaded. Just let the world load a little. And here you can basically see we have put the item under the redstone tab. Here is it item.myItemName. And the blocks are for now just in the block folder. And here you can also see the blocks are here, the item, and the blocks we've just created. Yeah, I certainly have to develop this project a little further, but for now it works just fine. And if you want to give it a try yourself, you can find the project on GitHub under the link in the description. And yeah, you basically just need some libraries, Python libraries, like PyQt4. Yeah, but if you have those, I think it shouldn't be a problem to run the program. Yeah, for now, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye!